Hey, it's Mr. Peace here at Pearson Elementary School, home of the Pioneers in South Lyon, Michigan, part of the South Lyon School District, and visiting the after-school program here today, the Kids Club in the cafeteria, and just amazing afternoon. The kids really responded. Had a slew of pictures, talking about kindness can change the world, that kindness starts with me, that one act of kindness can overcome hate. And these are kindergartners, first graders, second graders, already picking up the torch for change, being the change that they want to see in this world, and really focusing on treating others the way that they want to be treated, right? The main message today, again, dealt with bullying, looking at the heart first, seeing someone like you see your best friend, but really seeing the value, right, in others all around us and also in ourselves. It stems from understanding our worth, our value, right? The M in all of our palms. We always talk about this in each of my talks, that the M, which stands for miracle, with the lines on our hand, we have at least one on each hand with the lines on our palm. Trace one of mine here, and that M is for miracle, upside down W for worthy, right? That we are beautiful miracles worthy of love, to both give it and to receive it. And that we need to do this, right? That we need to be able to go and shine our light, because there's a lot of people around us, not just young people, but even older, that don't believe that they're miracles, right? That don't buy into their value, don't buy into their worth, that have been told by someone else a lie, that they're not good enough, that they can't do something, they're not smart enough, they're not fast enough, they're not pretty enough. And they've held on to that, right? They've held on to that weight, but we can overcome that by turning any of the hurt that we have, hurt people who hurt people, into healed people who heal people. And some of the students that came up to me just to share their hearts said, Mr. Peace, what do I do if I see somebody being mean? And you ask them to stop, of course, right? You kind of have a heart-to-heart conversation. You get help if you need to, and it's not tattletaling because it comes down to your safety or someone else's. But ultimately, you try to show them love, because for them to be that mean or something that's not right, usually for a normal person with normal type of feelings, to want to exhibit, right, something that's healthy, something that's happy, something that's positive. If they're being more negative, it's probably because they are hurting inside and they need that love, right? It doesn't justify their actions, but we can come from a space of understanding, a space of perspective, a space of empathy, and try with our compassion to again, overcome that hate. We talk about the MLK quote, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., and this being right around MLK Day for all my visits to the elementaries here in South Lyon, that darkness cannot drive out darkness, that only light can do that, and hate cannot drive out hate, but only love can do that. So to know again at a young age that you can make a huge difference, that you can really start to change your situation, right? Just by changing your own outlook, right? Your own heart, your own mental state is huge. And that's what we got home today. That's what was reinforced, and the students just really absorbed it. They were hungry for it, and it was just an incredible opportunity to get to meet all these young individuals today here at the Pearson Kids Club. You guys are beautiful. Never forget that. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. Paige George and the South Lyon Community Coalition, once again, thank you for sponsoring today's program, really caring about the emotional and mental well-being of our young people. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to check out the playlist of motivational videos that you'll see here too. And you can also visit my website, mrpeace.org, through the peace sign symbol, as you can track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.